Hello everyone and welcome to Bevins Builds, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the 40-volt brushless Kobalt chainsaw and whether or not I think it's worth it to purchase this thing. First, I'm going to say I have always been a big fan of gas-powered chainsaws. Due to the rising costs of gas and the fact that my chainsaw is actually broke down at the moment, I thought, you know what, I'm going to give some of these electric tools a try. And boy am I glad I did. This 40-volt Kobalt brushless chainsaw is an absolute workhorse. I have done a ton of work in my yard with this thing. Everything from cleaning all the brush around my entire pole barn and even cutting down and cutting up sizable trees up to 8 inches across. But it was no issue at all for this Kobalt chainsaw. And I want to tell you, I only charged my chainsaw 3 times. You heard me right. I've only had to charge the battery 3 times to cut all of that wood down. And that's why I say this thing is an absolute workhorse. On average for charging, it takes it usually around an hour to get a full charge on the battery. But because I liked this thing so much, what I went out and did is I bought a 40-volt Kobalt weed whipper as well. So I now have 2 batteries and 2 chargers. These were both on sale at Lowe's. I got the chainsaw for $158. That was with the battery and the charger. And then the weed whipper I got for $135, and that again was with a battery and a charger as well. I will be making a video about the weed whipper also soon. So needless to say, if you want to save some money and not have to buy all that crazy gasoline to run your yard power tools, I really highly recommend this. To me, it's an entry-level electric tool, but it's definitely worth it because I have just been blown away by the performance of this thing. And I think you will too. I've included links below in this video if you are interested in buying these and want to read or learn more about these particular products. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see more, don't forget to check out this playlist here.